Hello again, this is PH Digital and kind of a mega unboxing, at least for me it is. We have two different items. Let's open them up and see what's inside. And one's a charger, or one's a watch, one's a charger. And here we go. Alright, well, we'll do the brown box first. I think this is the watch. So for one reason or another, I started this other channel called The Man with Two Watches. I don't know why I named it that, but I did. Oh yay, I was right. So this is something I've reviewed before. This is a smartwatch by Garmin. I reviewed one that they made a while back, and it was also one of their themed watches. It was the first Avenger. So this is the Garmin Vivoactive 4, but it's the special edition Star Wars Darth Vader. So let's move this one aside and we will open this. And again, just for clarification, I'm not sponsored by Garmin. I buy these online and then I'll either return them after 30 days or I'll sell them. But once in a while I do keep them and then I'll sell the old one and ooh, that's nice. And then I'll upgrade. So here it is. This is a 44mm watch. Oh, that is nice. Nice packaging. So very similar to the first Avenger series, this one comes with two bands. It comes with a leather one. Pretty nice. Actually, it's quite nice. So that says quick release on it, and then right there it says, ooh, Italian leather. We'll zoom in there. Is that focusing? Awesome. Thanks, cameraman. And very similar as well, it has the awesome little sticker, so we'll take that off, put it aside, and two buttons. Same charging port. What else is in the box? We have the silicone band. Ah, there we go. There should be two parts to the silicone band, so this will be great for swimming and working out, because yeah, you don't want to wear leather when running. That's just no good. And what else in the box? We have the unique and somewhat proprietary charger by Garmin, which is nice. It works well. And the last time I've used these VivoFit 4s, they charge in about an hour. And the battery life is really good. The last VivoFit 4 I tested, battery life was anywhere from 4 to 7 days. And I'll test that again and let you know. And then we have the normal paperwork. Yada yada yada. Legacy series, awesome. So all in all, there are 4 different Legacy series watches made by Garmin. And this is one of 4, the Darth Vader edition. So the box is nice. I can put all that back in, put that in, and let's boot it up and see what the startup screen looks like. There we go, nice. Oh yes, and there's the man himself, Darth Vader. I really wish this watch had sound, a speakerphone. That would be awesome. Hello, bonjour, hola, and the list goes on. So now it's gonna, ooh, 79%. That's nice. Pair with phone, so I'm gonna pair this with my phone in a little bit, and I'll show you how to do that. But we'll set this aside, and let's unbox the next one. Oh, can you hear that? That's noisy. Okay, so let's, oh, you know what? I did this last time. This has an easy open handle. So this one I ordered 2 or 3 days ago. It came really fast. This is the first product that I've tried from Yootech. This is the wireless charging stand that they make. And what's unique about this one is it is compatible with the phone that I'm filming on, the LG V60 ThinQ. And unlike a lot of wireless charging stands, this one is a fast wireless charging stand, and it does 15 watt charging. And I bought this on Amazon. Again, sorry, I'm not sponsored by Yootech, but maybe that'll change. Nice packaging, cardboard recycled box. And the reason I ordered this is one, it does the fast 15-watt charging, but two, it comes with a charger. A lot of charging things you buy online, they don't come with the correct charger, and if you don't have the right charger, you're not going to get the fast charging. So I believe this one is just the plastic one. Yeah, we'll do a little plastic test here. Yeah, and it has a cooling fan built in. Has a nice little charging thing there. And I hope this is USB-C. Yes, so it's USB-A to USB-C, and this is USB-A. So awesome. Nice charging brick, nice clean information, instructions, all that fun stuff. Cool. Thanks, Yootech, for sending this out so quickly. And I believe this one was under $20, which is another reason. I used a gift card that I had from Bing.com. So there you have it, my mega unboxing of sorts. 2 packages for me, that's a lot. I normally don't order so much stuff, but I'm just gonna try this one out and try this one out, and I'll do some more reviews and let you know what I think. Well, that's all for now. We'll do a setup with this cool watch right here. The Garmin Special Edition Darth Vader watch, and we'll do the setup and all that fun stuff, and I'll let you know what I think about it. But just an unboxing for today, and then I'll do some editing, and then I'll tack on my initial thoughts about these 2 products, probably separate videos, because this one I'm going to do a battery test with, and we'll go from there. See you soon. Goodbye. Hello again. So it's been 48 hours since I did the unboxing, and now we need to talk about the 2 devices. So one of them I'm wearing right here, the Darth Vader watch, the Star Wars Special Edition by Garmin. Basically, it is a Vivoactive 4, but it has Star Wars themes. So kind of strange, this is the 3rd Vivo Fit 4 that I've reviewed since November, December of last year. But I really like Garmin, and yeah. I'm filming on the LG V60 today again. This has been my go-to phone for the last 3 weeks, and we're doing the voice bokeh mode. So, how's the audio? Hello, hello. Anyway, we'll see how that turns out. So let's get to the gadgets, and I'll show you what I think. Here, let me just grab one. So we'll do this one first. This is by Yootech. This is the first Yootech device I've ever tried. Well, scratch that. I tried one over a year ago. A coworker of mine had one. Anyway, this was on Amazon for $18, and I thought it'd be really cool. Has that built-in fan. You can hear the fan at night. Last night, the house was pretty quiet. Actually, 2 nights ago. And I plugged my phone in, put it on the charger. It was on the charger all night. When I woke up, my phone was charged, but it was on all night. So it was just slowly trickly. Had a trickle charge going all night long. So that was a bit concerning. But it does charge, so that's good. And here, I'll show you that in a second. And the other device, right here, the Darth Vader watch by Garmin. Oh, very nice. So it has the heart rate, it has the 22mm band, which I actually like, and the 44mm design. So Garmin makes a great watch. It's not very thick, as you can see, if I can get this to zoom in there. And it wears well. The screen has this beautiful electronic display, so whether you're in direct sunlight, as you can see the glare from the window, you can always read the time. The battery life is pretty good. This is going on a day and a half here, and if I go into the settings, so it's at 65%, and that's what, 36 hours later? So I'm pretty sure this is going to last for about another 2 days easily, even if I'm using GPS. I think I used GPS yesterday for about an hour and a half. Pretty good. Doing alarms, notifications, all that fun stuff. There are multiple watch faces. Garmin's pretty good on the watch faces. And most of them are free. So that's really a nice feature. So let's go to the table and I'll show you some more. So here it is up close. We switched from bokeh sound to the ASMR recording on the LG. You can see right here, there's the cool Star Wars logo by Garmin. It's been working great. All the alarms, cal notifications, flights of stairs, it tracks beautifully. I feel the accuracy is really good. And I'll show you the animation one more time. I can cue it up by quickly adding my cups of water. And there you go. Nice little stormtrooper. And when I reached my step goal last night, it gave me a TIE Fighter animation. So that was really cool. Again, always on display, just amazing. Garmin does a great job. You can pick this up online for around $300 to $400. I do wish, this is something I've learned in the last 24 hours, that this nice bezel actually protected the screen a little more. This is a Gorilla Glass that they put on there. I'll look up the exact model, Gorilla Glass 5 or something like that. But I would like the bezel to protect the screen a little more. I think that's one of the primary purposes of a bezel. As far as this bezel goes, it's a little sharp. There's some sharpness to it here and again, and that's kind of a disappointment. But the screen's very fluid. It's very responsive. I like it. So much faster than the Vivoactive 3 that I've been using. Not much else that I've really found in the first 2 days. I'll check out some more watch faces and I'll do another video later this week. So now we'll switch to the other product and we'll wrap this up. Gonna have to switch phones though. And now we've switched back to the OnePlus 6T. Hopefully the audio is still pretty good. I'm going to be quiet for just a second and then we're going to take this off the tripod so you can hear the sound the Yootech makes. So there's that fan running in the background. And if you're in a quiet room, you can hear it. It's not annoying though. If anything, it provides ambient sound. So for the most part, yeah, it's your standard wireless charger stand. It does have to be standing, but it does both portrait mode and landscape mode. And it's great. Has that nice little charging logo on the very bottom. Has the Yootech logo on the stand. And on the back, it shows the output, 15 watt, 10 watt, 7.5 watt, and 5 watt. So it is reverse. It does have reverse compatibility. So it does new devices and old ones. I highly recommend checking online to see if it is fully compatible for your device. As far as the fast wireless charging, I don't feel that it's that fast. Yes, this is a 5,000 milliamp phone, but I didn't think it was going to be so slow. And based off the initial charging tests that I've ran, we're looking at about 0.4% charge per minute. Not that fast. So less than half as fast as plugging it in I don't know, maybe that's good. Maybe that's all you need for your charger. But yeah. So this is my 48 hours later with the Yootech charger and the Garmin Star Wars Special Edition Darth Vader watch. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Again, this is another gadget review by PH Digital. And yeah, pithy comments are always welcome. This thing around my neck, I'm hoping it helps me keep my throat warm and get over this cold that I've had. It's just a cold. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in, I don't know, about 24 to 48 hours. Goodbye.